but ooh wee, my iPad is here. We did it. Spring 2025. We finished.
We done.
Ah, look at. Okay guys, happy Monday. I just saw an email from one of my professors, and this is so important because this was an example or like a rough draft of chapter 3 of my dissertation. So the fact that my professor sent this email made me just jump for joy, like literally. He said, "Hi Naila, I greatly enjoyed reading your paper. This was a really good, high quality and comprehensive draft of chapter 3 for a qualitative dissertation. I did provide some minor comments. For this paper, you earned a 28 out of 30. Overall in this course, you earned a 97. I'm excited because I'm so nervous about this dissertation. So the fact that it has good bones makes me very excited. Guys, I'm on campus. It is my last day in person for this semester, spring 2025, and I'm excited. Found this library. I just love this building. We have new signs everywhere. I'm loving the new signs. I'm gonna head down and grab some ice from my coffee. In the undergrad library, there's like a cafe. So the bleachers are up in the quad because I heard the first time in a few years, the graduation ceremony will be at the school instead of like at one of the local city arenas or stadiums or what have you. So that's exciting. Here's a better look of the quad with the bleachers. To my left, I always show this building because that's the building where a lot of my classes are, or at least they were my first year. And that's the building where I fell down the steps during my first year too. So it's special. Here's a close-up of the infamous building, Frederick Douglass Hall, or just Frederick Douglass. Yeah, my favorite building on campus. Oh, you moving? Okay, I like that.
Remember those like TV?
Guys,
We did it.
we did it. Spring 2025. We finished.
We done.
Ah, look at, and we're in our new building, the minor building. Yes. Right. It's the end of class, and we decided that we want to see the new Howard sign. It's so pretty when I saw it when I was driving. Let's see. Naila, don't fall. Oh my gosh. Let me zoom out. That looks good. H-U?
You know.
Hey!
Oh wait, let me jump. You want a jumper? Hold up. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
I think I got it.
Happy Saturday, writers, bookfluencers, and beautiful people. If you can't tell, I am very excited today. And I hope you guys can hear me. I'm in downtown DC, so there are cars driving by like I'm in the heart of the city. But I had to hop on camera and let you guys know that I just feel so loved and supported. And it's nice to have loved ones, family, friends, whomever, to really support your goals. And today is one of those reminders that I do have that support system. So before I share where I'm going today, I just want to refresh in your memory, let you guys know that this is a big year for me. This is my 40th year. I turned 40 in June. I'm also publishing my 11th book in June. So that's already two big, goals. Or, well, yes, living to see another birthday is a goal. So I will keep that there. I won't change it. And also, speaking of four, this fall, 2025, I will be entering my 4th year of my doctoral program. It's just a lot to celebrate. The beauty of life, of course, another birthday, another decade, another book, an opportunity to share my words with my target readers, another year in this beautiful program at my illustrious school. If you can't tell, I have on a Howard sweatshirt. So I just, I have a lot to just be thankful for. And I also have my parents to be thankful for because they are gifting me with an iPad. Like, I can't even express how aligned this gift is. I'll be entering, of course, my 4th year. So I'm going to eventually be conducting research. I'm going to defend my proposal, hopefully in the fall. And I'm writing my book still. I'm going to be traveling. I have a couple of trips planned. So it's just the fact that this iPad Pro, is going to help me while I am traveling, and I get to write with my pencil and circle articles and have an easier process when I'm on the go. Like, it just it's I'm so grateful. Like, that is so cool. So all of that said, before I go into my tears, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the iPad now, so come along with me. How appropriate is this? As a new Washingtonian, it's only appropriate that my parents sent my iPad to the Carnegie Library in Washington, D.C. because they knew it would be special. Yay! Look what I have! Just left the Carnegie Library and I'm walking back to my car, so I'm gonna be safe, but ooh-wee! My iPad is here! Hi, hello there. I'm in one of the study rooms in my school's library, but it's also the perfect location for me to unbox my new iPad. Forgive me for whispering, but the walls are thin. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, I ripped the bag, but that's okay. It's only a bag. Let's see if I can do this with both hands. We have, come on now, baby, the iPad Pro. That's not all. Can I do it? Come on. There we go. We have the Magic Keyboard. That's not all. And the pencil. Is it the iPad Pencil Pro? The iPad Pencil Pro. So everything is opened now. Let's play with it, put everything together. And when I say that, I mean just, hook the keyboard and the iPad up and start to doodle. Okay, guys, I had to come back on camera because I wanted you to hear my voice as I'm trying to navigate things. So we got it hooked up to the Magic Keyboard, right? Boom. Now, the iPad Pencil or the Apple Pencil Pro is there, but I can't use it yet because I need to turn it on. Do I know how to turn on a computer? Let me not act like I've never had an Apple device. Where's my phone so I can Google how to turn on an iPad? Hold on. Okay, before I figure out how to turn this on, I just want to show you guys the difference. Here's my iPad, 13 inches. Here is my laptop. I'll put the number of inches on the screen because I don't know right now. But look how, boom, boom, MacBook, iPad. I am so excited about this because it's more portable. I can already see this. Like when I'm traveling, I can whip it out if I'm on the train or on the plane. and I can either have it like this, like a laptop display, or not. So this is such a writer's treat. Like, so thrilled. Okay, I looked it up on YouTube. You gotta hold the top of the iPad down to just like a phone screen, or just like a phone rather. It's on. Ooh. Hello. Okay. Pushed escape. Now let me use, I'm using my keyboard. English, United States. Okay. Face ID. Yes, I want Face ID. Complete. Oh, guys, look at this. Dr. N.HARV. How cool and how motivating. I have to finish and earn this degree because now I feel like my parents are invested. Okay. Oh, how does this work? I guess they want me to try to scribble. Let's see if I can do both. Hold the camera and scribble. Here we go. Thank you. Oh. Come on, stomach, relax. I fed you already. Thank you, parents. Is it gonna draw my heart? No. That was too much for it. Let me go back. Thank you, parents. Backspace. Backspace. Come on, guys. How do I go back? Replay. Let's try this again. Okay, it is later and I am at home, but I wanted to also show the back of my iPad is engraved and it says Dr. N.HARV, Chapter 40. So every time I see this, hopefully it will encourage me to continue writing my book, my nonfiction self-help memoir that's coming out this June 26th, 2025. And also, it will encourage me to know that there are people who are rooting for me. So, Dr. N.HARV, in the making. And we have now reached the end of this vlog, this college vlog, and also the end of my third year in the Educational Leadership and Policy Studies program at HU. So the college vlogs will be on pause for a while until I am back in school next semester. But this is where the fun begins and picks back up, actually, because my summer is starting now. So stay tuned for more travel vlogs as well as writing vlogs as I'm still writing this book. But also, I have a birthday tour coming up. I am going to be traveling for my 40th birthday. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more of my adventures. And also just keep up. Love you guys, and I will catch you in the next vlog.